Looking for a simple way to connect your computer to a big screen HDTV or projector without sacrificing picture or sound quality? This 6-foot DisplayPort to HDMI cable might be exactly what you need. It's designed to transmit both audio and video seamlessly, supporting up to 4K resolution at 30 Hz and delivering uncompressed digital audio channels like 7.1.5.1 or stereo sound. Whether you're streaming movies, giving a presentation, or setting up a second monitor, this cable offers a reliable connection that's ready to go right out of the box. What makes this cable stand out is its durability and performance. Gold-plated connectors and bare copper conductors ensure a stable signal with minimal interference, while the foil-and-braid shielding keeps your picture crisp and your sound pure. It's a uni-directional cable, meaning it only works from DisplayPort to HDMI, not the other way around, and it's specifically built for desktops or laptops with DisplayPort outputs. Keep in mind, it's not compatible with Thunderbolt docks or LVDS signal sources like audio, video players, so make sure your devices match these requirements before purchasing. I was hesitant at first because of the low price, but after trying this cable, I was genuinely impressed. Unlike some branded options that failed due to compatibility issues, this cable worked perfectly on the first try. Plug-and-play simplicity combined with solid performance, no fuss, no complicated setup. It's a dependable choice if you want to enjoy your content on a larger screen without breaking the bank. If you're ready to upgrade your setup with a hassle-free way to connect your DisplayPort-enabled device to an HDMI display, this cable is worth a look. It delivers what you need: sharp 4K video, rich audio, and a sturdy design that lasts. Try it when you're ready and see how smoothly your media or work presentations come to life.